Hello, today we'll take a look at these important date functions using some scenarios. This is Amy. She applied for a loan and the processing time is 10 working days. When will she get a response? So we have the date of application and the processing time. The right function to use is the workday function, which returns the date before or after a specified number of days. Start date is the application date. Day is 10. The last argument is optional, so it can be omitted. Close the bracket. Amy will get a response on this date. If you want to exclude holidays, then you have to include the third argument. So let's write the formula. Here's a list of holidays. Select the entire array. Close the bracket. This is a new date. Let's confirm that on the calendar. Cool. Now the workday function also works with reverse values. So if Amy got a response on April 28th and the processing time was 10 days, this will be a negative value. When did she submit her application? Start, day, holidays. We arrived at the same date. Another scenario. If Amy submitted her application to a bank that works every day except Sundays, when will she get a response? The right function for this task is the Workday.INTL or international, which allows you to customize weekend parameters. Start date is here, number of days. Weekend allows you to specify when weekend occurs. Sunday only is 11. Select the holidays, close the bracket and enter. We have our result. Meet Teddy, an HR consultant. He wants to determine the number of work days in 2022. The right function to use is the networkdays function, which returns the number of work days between two dates. Start date is January 1 and end date is December 31. The last argument is optional, so it can be omitted. Close the bracket and enter. Now, if you want holidays excluded from the calculation, then it has to include the third argument. So let's write the formula. Start, end, and here is a list of holidays. Select the entire array, close the bracket and enter. Here's the result. If Teddy needs to customize weekends, then he has to use the networkdays.intl function. Start date, end date. Weekend allows him to specify when weekend occurs. Sunday only is 11. Select the holidays, close the bracket and enter. HR folks use this function to calculate monthly work days for payroll and other purposes. So let's calculate the monthly work days. Start date, end date, skip holidays, close the bracket, drag the fill handle to copy across. Let's calculate for Sunday weekend. Start date, end date, Sunday only is 11. Skip holidays and copy across. Now we can compare both results. To wrap this up, Workday returns a date. Network days returns the number of days. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Bye.